Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today we're going to be cleaning the brush, that's the bit that spins round, on this Sebo Automatic X4 Excel vacuum cleaner. Now if you have a look at the brush at the bottom, it hasn't been cleaned in about a year, and what happens is you get all long hair and stuff matted in it, because obviously this is spinning on the carpet all the time, which flicks the dust up into the hoover. But it doesn't just flick up the dust, unfortunately hair and everything gets matted up in it. Now this hasn't been cleaned in about a year, so it's going to be quite disgusting. Now to release it, what we have to do is press this button at the top, which looks like the brush. If you look closely here, you can see there's a little design on it. So we're going to press that in, and already now you can see it's coming out at the side. Yeah. So we're going to flip it upside down here, and we're going to hold this button in. So I've got my thumb on here holding it in, and now I'm just going to take this out like so. Now we're going to get the brush, and the whole thing will come out. So now what we have to do is get some scissors. Now obviously I don't want to cut the brush itself, because then the hoover's not going to work properly. But what I'm going to do is, I can see how the brush is spiraling round. So on a bit that hasn't got much on, like here, I'm going to use scissors, and I'm going to start cutting diagonally through it here. And then the hair's going to come off in smaller amounts, but it'd be much easier than unwinding it all. So let me get the camera set up on a tripod, because this is probably going to take about 10 minutes or so. You can see how matted it is here. You can't even see the brush anymore, but I can still feel it along these lines here. Right, okay, so it's all off now, as you can see. Absolutely loads came off, and I didn't damage any of the brushes in the process. So just be careful, because I was going along here, and then I felt that the brushes were then going this way, so obviously I wouldn't want to cut through here then. But yeah, I can't believe how much came off. Now obviously, if you don't like hair and dust, which most people don't, then wear gloves with me. I'm just going to give my hands a good wash afterwards. Right, let's pop this back on the actual hoover now. Okay, so just before I put the brush back in there, I can see that there's a lot of dust and stuff up here as well. So while I'm here, it gives me a good opportunity to take it all out, because I'm all dusty now anyway. You can see it gets caught up here. Thinking about it, I think it's probably been a couple of years since I did this last, because there's a big build-up of hair. So this is the sort of job where if you keep on top of it and just do it every couple of months, or even just every month, then it's not such a big deal. Right, so what we're doing is, if you have a look here in the bearing, you can see that there's a hole, and that's going to correspond to this little axle here. So now you know that this one is going to go in this side here, because otherwise there's nothing for this to grab onto here. Yeah. So we're going to be putting it in this way, and we're just going to be giving it a little turn. And now when we spin it, we will see that it will go into its place. So there we go. Can you see that? So if it was here, it doesn't go. Keep working it round, and there it's gone. And now we're going to get this bit, line it up here, and then put it on. And now you will find that it will spin a lot easier, because there's less hair, less weight, less everything else. So let's plug it in just to show you that working. Right, okay, so watch this now. You can see now, spinning much better. So that is how you clean the brush on a Sebo X4 Excel Automatic. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.